I just unpacked another box from the collection, and this is one of the trains that was in there, an Erie Alco. These are original Lionel, but then these are Lionel cars, but they were custom done to match the engine as an Erie passenger train. It's got an Erie logo on the side of the cars. It's got the observation. It's got a dome car. Another coach. Another dome car. Different name. And this is the last one, another coach. Here's the Erie logos. This GG1 was also in there. Matches this one here. And then this is the one I showed before. I couldn't remember if I showed any of these engines. I don't think I did. These are all Lionel. Another engine was this TCA engine. I thought that was pretty neat. And this Mike's Train House 4-truck shay. This Pennsylvania GP9. This box I marked as came off shelf number 6 and has the Hoge passenger train and a Lionel General. So I'll unpack this box next and see what we find besides that. Just thought I'd show you the inside of the box. Wrapped everything in this paper. Here's where I've been piling up paper as I've unwrapped the trains. And originally I used some newspaper, which I didn't really want to use, but I didn't have anything else. I don't have very good lighting back here, but here's the Hoge Streamliner, the number 900. It has a chrome plated front, but not the sides. It's just painted silver. It's got the chrome, I guess, centerpieces. Back end is dented in a little bit. So that's the Hoge passenger train. Here's a 671. Can't see it very well. That was in the box also. And up on this shelf here, I also had a Rio Grande snowplow, number 53. Work caboose, 2420. Tie ejector, it's number 5511. An a green automatic dump car, 3459. And let's see, this transformer car, 6461. None of the insulators seem broken. And then around the corner is the General. This one here, 1872. Fort Knox Gold Reserve. This is the cop and hobo car, I think they call it. And 2 passenger cars. This is the lighted version. And this has the whistle inside the car, is a whistle, air whistle. So those are the trains that were in that one box. Thanks again for watching. Well, that concludes today's video on unboxing one more box out of the collection. And just wanted to show you behind me, I have 2 small shelves that were still left from all the shelving I got in the collection. In this section here I have temporarily put up, and this other section here I'm getting ready to fasten to the wall permanently, and then I'll organize it and try to display a few trains over here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. This is Chris, and I want you to all have a great week. Take care.